Ripple XRP price prediction March 2021. Welcome back, guys. It's Crypto Rocco from Rockstar Trading Channel. In today's video, guys, I'll be looking at the Ripple SEC lawsuit. I'll be talking about the key developments, and I'll be sharing with you guys my thoughts on this, who's got the upper hand. I'll be also looking at some other news for XRP. Then, guys, at the end of the video, I'll be sharing with you a shorter time frame trade that we're looking at in the Rockstar Trading Group, and then long time frame if SEC classes XRP as not a security, some price targets. We won't probably find out until near the end of the year, but I'll share with you if it does happen, what we can think for the XRP price. This SEC security news is definitely to bat for the price and pushing the price lower. So if we do get a big news and key development, XRP can have a big breakout. So guys, let's just quickly review what XRP is doing from a price point of view. So XRP had that big breakout back in November. This is the main trade that we took. Again, go watch the video. We've been waiting for years for this trade, this big breakout from 30 cent, and we traded that really nicely in the YouTube channel. If you go watch the videos from that time, you'll see I provided exact updates on the YouTube channel. I talk about exactly when I'm buying and selling. In the Rockstar Trading Group, I provide when I'm buying, when I'm selling, my targets, my updates. There's lots of coins that are breaking out, especially Theta and ENJ. Again, I'm sharing with you some of the coins. Again, go watch the previous video, and if you are interested in finding out more about our Rockstar Trading Group, I'll leave the links below. There's a special offer for you guys to check out. So guys, the price had a big breakout. Then guys, we took profit as it was going up at 50 and 70 cent. Then we had that lawsuit drama. XRP had a big dump, and even with this dump, XRP had a rally. This could be Wall Street bets or Reddit groups pumping, but if something can go up 200% with this bad news, imagine how high it can pump. XRP is one of the more popular coins on my channel, the most requested video. I haven't been making much video on XRP just because the price isn't going up. If you watch the coins that I'm talking about, the trades that I'm sharing, they're all going up. You can watch the other videos for them. But XRP is going quietly, and I want to start looking at the news. But before I look at the news, a point I want to make is the key 50 cent level. If XRP gets back above the 50 cent level, I'd look to pump it to a 70 cent. That will be my trade. And I'm not saying it will dump, but if XRP ever gives us a setup around this level, I'm definitely going to look to buy XRP. And I don't invest in XRP, and you can go watch all my previous videos on fundamental analysis and all that good stuff. But if it does come into here, guys, I'm going to look to buy for a longer time frame as well. So guys, now let's have a look at the news. So I'll provide with you some of the key updates. So Ripple denies it engaged in any offering securities, denies the inaccurate characterization of legal advice Ripple received regarding XRP. Before this case, no securities regulator in the world has claimed that transactions in XRP must be registered as securities. So Ripple are arguing that there's a regularity and clarity there. There's not much clarity on what what is a security, what XRP is, and on digital assets in general. So this is their main argument. I made a video on SEC lawsuit. Go watch that for exact dates. Towards the end of the year, we should be finding out who wins the case, and if XRP is classed as not a security, that will be huge for it. They're also talking about XRP and Ripple team have requested SEC for more regulatory clarity, but the SEC didn't get back to them. Exchanges contacted SEC as well, asking if they can let traders trade XRP, and they didn't get any reply back. There's a really good YouTuber. I don't really recommend other YouTubers, but there's a good YouTuber. He's a lawyer. He talks a lot about the lawsuit. You can go check him out. Talk to him about it in the previous video. Recently, guys, I shared with you that update. Recently, the SEC is looking for personal information from the Ripple executives, and the Ripple team are asking what is they're not offering a coherent explanation for why they want that information. And reading up this lawsuit, it seems like SEC stumbles. This is a very complicated case, and SEC are stumbling to move forward with this lawsuit and actually provide a coherent explanation of why XRP is a security. Again, there's not enough regulatory clarity. Brad Garlinghouse and the XRP legal team are really fighting strong against the SEC, and by the look of things at the moment, I would say that Ripple and XRP definitely have the upper hand in this case. So I'll keep you guys updated with more news. Again, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button. If there's any key news coming out, I'll update. But from looking at the news now, I would say that Ripple is definitely got the upper hand. And another key point I want to make is, Tether got away with a very minimal fee with what they did with USD Tether and Bitfinex. And I think XRP and what Ripple did is quite small compared to what Tether did. And if Tether can get away, I think they paid like 16 million. I talked about it in my previous video. I mean, XRP, I'm not saying it will go to $10, but if this happens, guys, I think XRP can definitely settle it or get away with this, because if Tether can get away with what they're doing, and if you read about Tether, there's definitely, I've talked about many videos before, there's definitely a lot more if you read about it, it looks like they have a lot more shady business going on than XRP. So I mean, there are news that Brad Garlinghouse and Ripple will sue the SEC, talking about damage to reputation and damage to XRP. So again, there's lots of stuff going on, but in my opinion, at the moment, XRP's got the upper hand. Apart from that, there's not too much news. I'd say that is the biggest news I can talk about. So from a trade point of view, like I touched on earlier, break above 50 cent, I'd look to target. Again, make sure you have a trade set up, whether you follow mine or whether you have your own. Please make sure you have a trade set up. If you don't have a trade set up, guys, you're gonna lose money. From longer time frame, guys, 70 cent is a key level, guys. If near the end of the year we have or there's even before the end of the year there's positive news coming out from the lawsuit, then I think XRP could be breaking out above 70 cent, heading towards that $1 level. That will be my big trade, guys, if we do break that level towards $1. $1 is a huge level. This was the 2018 high. If we break $1, then I'd say we're in a full-on bull market. I thought when 30 cent broke, I aggressively went into XRP, and if it wasn't for the SEC lawsuit, I think this target would have been realistic. But I think this is a very realistic target, and if I don't want to speculate, but if XRP is classed as not a security, guys, I mean, all trading is speculation, but I don't want to make crazy prediction XRP to $100, 589 like other YouTube channels. I try to be a bit more realistic. I think the previous high of $3, $3.50 is very realistic. And then if like I said, if it's not classed as security, a lot higher prices. So again, thank you very much for watching this video, guys. To end the video, what is your thoughts on XRP? Do you think XRP is a security? What is your predictions for XRP? If it's not classed as a security, do you think $10 is a realistic target? I've shared with you my targets of where I think XRP could be going towards the previous highs. What is your predictions? Comment below your predictions and just the general thoughts. Is there something I'm missing about the lawsuit? There's lots of news on social media, Twitter, Reddit, Facebook. So let me know if there's any key news I've missed out. I'm happy to look into it. So again, thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Comment below your price predictions. If you are interested in trading and taking your trading to the next level, check out the other videos. I've talked about how I'm trading exactly, and there's loads of other coins that are breaking out. So whilst XRP is quiet with this lawsuit, there's loads of other opportunities for you to take advantage of. Again, thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Thank you very much.